Today we are going to explore exactly how you can screen mirror your iPhone to your Samsung TV. First, we will look at how you can wirelessly mirror your iPhone using AirPlay. Most Samsung smart TVs manufactured from 2018 and later support this feature built right in. Second, we will look at how you can screen mirror your phone using a standard HDMI cable and a dedicated adapter. This physical method works on all Samsung TVs regardless of the model year. Let us dive right into the details. To wirelessly connect your iPhone to your Samsung TV for the first time, you need to ensure that both devices are operating on the same home network. On your iPhone, navigate into Settings and then Wi-Fi to verify your network name. On your Samsung TV, open up the main menu and head over to General and then click on Network. Here you can easily verify the network that you are currently connected to, or even connect to a new network if needed. Once you see that both devices are on the same network, go back to the general settings on your TV and then click into Apple AirPlay. Inside this menu, make sure that the AirPlay toggle is set to turned on. On your iPhone, swipe down from the upper right corner of your screen to open up the control center. If you are using an older iPhone model, you might need to simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen instead. Tap on the screen mirroring icon in your control center, and then select your specific Samsung TV from the list of available devices that appear. If this is your very first time establishing a connection, you will need to enter the specific 4-digit code that you see on your TV screen into the prompt on your iPhone. Once that is done, we are now successfully connected. The image on the TV screen perfectly matches the image orientation on your phone. If you rotate your phone to landscape mode, the image on the TV screen will also rotate to fill the display. To disconnect your phone from your TV, simply go back to the screen mirroring menu in your control center. Then, at the very bottom, click on Stop Mirroring. Next, we will look at how you can screen mirror your phone using an HDMI cable and an adapter, which is often more stable for gaming or high-quality video. If you have an iPhone 15 or a newer model, you will need a USB-C to HDMI 2.1 adapter and a compatible HDMI cable. If you are using an iPhone 17 or an older model, you will need a Lightning to HDMI adapter and an HDMI cable. This setup ensures a lag-free experience on your TechVibes setup. First, plug the adapter into your phone charging port and then connect the HDMI cable to the adapter. Connect the other end of the cable to an available HDMI port on the back or side of your Samsung TV. On your TV, you will now need to select the correct input source. Select the HDMI input number that you just plugged your cable into. Now your phone screen will be mirrored directly to your TV. There you go. You now have your phone display on the big screen for everyone to see. If you found this tutorial helpful for your home setup, please make sure to like this video. Subscribe to TechVibes for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions about connecting your devices.